In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all invoices in QuickBooks Online. If you're managing your business finances, staying on top of your invoices is crucial. QuickBooks Online is a powerful tool that makes it easy to manage this aspect of your business. Let's dive right in and explore the steps to access all your invoices in just a few simple moves. First, you're going to need to sign in. If you're not already at the QuickBooks login screen, navigate to it using your web browser. Once you arrive on the login page, locate the sign in button. This is your gateway to accessing all the financial data and tools you need. A quick tip, make sure you're using a browser that you trust on a secure network, especially if you're handling sensitive financial information. With the sign in page before you, the next step is to choose QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks offers several different products, and selecting the right one ensures you're sent to the appropriate interface for managing online invoices. This might sound straightforward, but it's an essential step to ensure access to your business tools. Next, you'll need to enter your credentials, type in your username and password when prompted, and click Continue. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. QuickBooks provides a link to help you reset it quickly and securely. This process is seamless thanks to the intuitive design and security features that QuickBooks Online employs. Your credentials are your keys, so keep them safe and consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security. Once logged in, your dashboard will appear filled with various functionalities. Our focus, however, is on finding invoices, so you're going to want to head straight for the Sales tab. You can usually find this tab in the navigation bar on the left side of your screen. Sales are where all transactions related to invoice and income are categorized. Clicking this tab heads you in the right direction for full control over your invoices. Upon entering the sales section, you'll see an option labeled Invoices. This is where all your invoices are stored, so go ahead and click on it. This action will bring up a comprehensive list of all invoices you've generated. From here, you can browse through them, organize them by various factors such as date or status, and even drill down into the specifics of each invoice. This is fantastic for getting an overview of what's outstanding, what's been paid, and catching any inconsistencies in your billing process. That's all there is to it. Following these steps will give you a clear view of all your invoices, allowing you to better manage and understand your business's financial health. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial makes handling your invoices a much easier task. Happy bookkeeping!